This is peace. Peace. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's me, Bakisa, and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. We are going to conclude the year with these cute little coupon gifts. You can cut them out and give them to your clients. So if you go on the home page and just search coupons, there'll be a lot of templates, and you can just scroll down and choose one. And a whole bunch will pop up. And I'm going to choose one to make it really quick today. So on the left hand side, you can filter it out by these descriptions over here. I cannot see it because y'all know I wear glasses and I just can't see. Okay. And if you hear some extra noise, I am still not at home. So I picked this particular template, and you can click the button and go ahead and use it, or you can go down and then show you other options that are similar. So I'm going to start out with using this circle frame because I had an idea that I wanted to put the image of whatever the coupon service is going to be. So I'm just going to duplicate them and then add the images inside of all of them. And once again, I'm going to click the photo so I can adjust the image the way I want it inside of the circle. So now here is the template that we got from Canva, and I'm just going to delete some things off of it and add some things, and you can just look and see. Look and see. And of course, you can put whatever you want to. I'm just changing out some of the wordage and the timelines on it and changing out the fonts. So because I changed out the fonts and the effects on the fonts, I have to resize everything so that it will fit accordingly. So because I wanted to add the picture, I'm going to extend the image, the background a little bit more, and I'm just going to move everything over and resize everything. And I'm probably not doing everything perfect. I'm just doing it for the tutorial so you can get an idea. And basically that flyer is finished, and what you would do is, let me see if I'm going to show you because I know I am. So you would click the share button and you would download it as a PDF print and send it off to wherever you want to send it off to, so you can print it and then you can cut it out and hand it out manually. But I would suggest you do where it says to, what does it say? That one right there. I can't see what it says, but all that does is compile all the images together on the page, so when it prints out, the images won't shift. Let me see, what does it say? I should know. What does it say? I'm talking like y'all could answer me back, but anyway. So now those are finished. So now we're going to take the ones that we just did and we're going to revamp them into a different one. And in case I didn't mention it, this particular file size is the same as a lecture page. So it's probably 8.5 by 11 inches. And so that way you can put several coupons, and I'm doing air parentheses, coupons that you can cut out and print. So like I said, hand them out at your salon or wherever you work. You can change it up and have them coochie coupons for your husband. Disregard that, but not quite. But anyway, so now we're just going to switch it up. And we're just going to change it into a whole new flyer or coupons. You know what I mean. So you can just look and watch, and if I need to come back in, of course, I'm going to come back in and say something. So I'm just going to watch just like you until I see something that I need to speak on. Okay. And I'm just showing different suggestions. It's not written in stone. You do it. Do whatever you want to do. So that first one I did, I just made it transparent, the square, and only left the border. So it's just something clean and simple. And that one, of course, you can see I decided to use a gradient background. So we're doing all the simple ones first. So those were the original ones. And I'm probably just copying and pasting, so when I get ready to do the other ones, I don't have to do so much work. So I searched for coupon or a ticket, and I'm going to use that one now as the background. And I did add a page lift shadow just to give it a little bit more dimension. And as you will see, I'm going to shrink all of the elements just so it can fit. And I'm going to switch out the font to make it a little bit more interesting. And yeah. In all these tutorials, I am a little bit behind because I am still on vacation back in my home state of Florida. And if you want to see what I was doing while I'm here, stay tuned. At the end of the tutorial, I couldn't think of the word, y'all. At the end of the tutorial, you will see a little vlog that I added of my little time here. Okay. This little extra element there just to make it a little bit more fun. So now I'm just y'all don't mind me, that's the thing in the background, my sister's phone. Anyway, I'm starting out with the same one, and I'm just leveling it up and adding some extra things. And if you don't want your element to fall inside the frame when you're moving it, make sure you hold the command key as you move the elements so they won't fall inside the frame like how my own did. Okay. And with this one, I am just going to add this extra image, make it more transparent. And a lot of them I did go back in and do a shadow to the fonts so that they look like they are lifting up off the page a little bit. So I did go back in like I'm doing right here, adding shadows to all the fonts. I changed out the fonts of the words, and I actually changed the words from the coupon to gift for you, just to make it a little bit more special and not seem so cheap with the word coupon. If I did I have coupon on here to begin with? I don't even remember this far in the tutorial. I don't remember. So anyway, I'm adding a little drop shadow so the circle looks like it's floating. But yeah, make sure you watch to the end for my vlog, my mini vlog of my stay here. I did go see Dave Chappelle and he was amazing. So yeah, let me know in the comment section which one of these you are planning to replicate and in what color. And right behind the number 50, I forgot to say that I did put an image back there and it's transparent, probably about 11%. Thank you for supporting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you guys for getting me to about 600 subscribers for the end of 2023. And it's up from here. Love y'all. Just continue to watch. Bye.
All I want for Christmas is peace. Peace. Yeah.